over here. Some of my clothes. Hats are really important to me. This beautiful bag my friend Neva's made. And scarves. I've got this beautiful Guga scarf. I'll show you how to wear it a couple of different ways. My favourite colour is red, so lots of red clothes I feature with my favourite things. I like them red shoes. My beautiful purple boots. The story about the boots, I've had them for like 6 years, so one day I went to a swap meet at the council, so you take 5 things and you get buttons and then you can go around and collect things. This gorgeous necklace. This beautiful little Guga pin made by Auntie Lorraine Ty. Today is its 4th anniversary. I think it's 4 years ago I got it. Hoop earrings. They're from an Aboriginal artist. My original hand-woven, handmade bag made out of native grasses. Twine, got some emu feathers, and made with the Wide Lab at one of their weaving sessions. Made out of kumbungi. I take it out for special occasions, so I've worn it to a native ball. It's just so special. And when I'm not using it, it hangs up in the house as an ornament.
Thank you for watching. Styling up doesn't have to take a lot of time or cost a lot of money. The feeling you get when you get compliments of how good you look are amazing. Don't be shy, style up, stand out and be fabulous.